Hey, it's your girl Jeray. Thank you for coming back for another video about everything locks, starter locks, whatever. We're here for it. Anyway, just want to get into a quick video about this hair. Honey. About this hair. Get into it. Okay. Stay tuned. I went to my girl Jackie to hit me up, and just wanted to updo. This was a short video. It's just pretty short, just letting you know. Then you get a look at the hair closely. Fresh retwist. Since you just put a little like a mohawk buns, we was gonna do what do you call it, bantu knots, but we decided to go with the buns, so that's what we did. We're leaving a little two down and everything. So this is what it looks like and everything. Let me see if I can try, and I do mean try, to do a 360. I hope it got on camera. My lighting is not good. I waited too late to do this video, but it's okay. Anyway, so I want to talk also not just about my hair, but also about the truth behind retwisting. Some people believe that it's just basically you can get a certain product or a certain the way you do it, a method of how you retwist to make your retwist last like forever. And truth be told, depending on how you do retwist, I don't care what kind of product you use, I don't care what kind of way you use, with clips, no clips, whichever way you do a retwist. Interlocking is cool for certain types of textures and certain lifestyles that people want to, basically, if they're into like a lot of exercising where they might sweat out their edges, or swimming, or they just want to last a longer lasting retwist to their hair, a lot of people will interlock, and it's cool, but other people will do the palm roll, which is this. That's the retwisting of the palm roll. With palm rolling, it's real cute. Like right now, you give this, let's just say, I feel like, honestly, and this is just my opinion, I ain't no expert, ain't nothing, but we gonna talk about it just like I'm the expert, okay? Unless you have your hair up in a style for like more than 2 to 3 weeks, which is kind of hard because my hair start itching. I had to put my oil in there, and sometimes I just get tired of it because it's up, and I'll be like, okay, I want to wear my hair down. But anyway, that's probably the longest you gonna keep your retwist in, to be honest, with a style. If you retwist your hair without a style, most likely, depending on how you style it, it will, depending on how you style it, it probably won't last. You'll be like, why am I doing a retwist? And I just did a retwist, and it's like been a week, and my edges are already jacked. And I'm like, well, that's the reality of it. It really is. It don't really matter what product you use. Some will, some products may, but you have to worry about what's in that what's in that product that's making your hair hold. Is it something good for your edges? Is it something good for your hair to go along with? Will it be any buildup behind that? Things like that. So it's a lot goes into different products. You have to be careful. I already talked about lock buildup, product buildup in your locks is not your friend. So unless you have a style. Now this looks tight, but it ain't really tight at all on my hair. I can, it looks tight. It's just that she laid it real good. You hear me? But it's not tight because I think she have a braid going here and a braid going here. I'll show you the braid. Some braid going in there and a braid going here. But anyway, but it's not tight. And my edges, I still got edges. Okay. So as long as you leave your edges loose, or you know, not pulling, and it's a protective style that you can uphold or whatever. That's probably the truth about retwisting is if you want it to really last past a certain time period, probably have to have a style. So this will last for a while. I'm gonna try to keep it up for 2 weeks. I'm gonna try very hard. I might loosen the buns and just wear it loose like a mohawk. I might do that, and if so, I might do a video of me undoing it. Maybe I'll do that. And so yeah, sometimes we get frustrated because, you know, it's like, oh, what's happening? I can't keep a retwist for nothing. And it's like, well, it's just the fact that, you know, we sweating, we showering, we should be putting stuff on our hair, bonnets at night, shower cap while you're in the shower or stuff like that, or keeping it tied up so it won't get, you know, it won't get, you know, loose and sweat out your hair. But it's gonna happen. So just especially with starter locks or whatever you're just starting out, don't be surprised if your retwists don't last. That's just the truth about it. It just, they'll last, but you have to do a lot. You either have to have it in a style, or you're gonna have to, you know, be careful not to get it wet. You know, it's kind of hard. What if it's raining that day, or you sweating from a workout? And so a lot of people that work out might try interlocking, but if it's not what you feeling, if your hair ain't feeling it, you know, you have to go back to palm twisting. Well, you can go back to palm twisting, but just know, palm rolling, sorry, not twisting. I don't think it matters, but if you go back to doing that, then you'll know, like, the palm rolling don't last like interlocks. Interlocking is not as smooth as this, but it does look neat enough. So it might not be this neat when you get in interlocking, but at least it will keep your hair tight for at least 4 weeks. Palm rolling, you better be happy you get 3 weeks out of that. That's if you care about your hair retwisting. Like if you care about it not lasting, because sometimes after a certain while I don't even care. I went almost 2 months without a retwist. I don't know what's going on. Hold on. Anyway, so basically that's what you got to do. It just depends on how you want to, you know. I don't care with a little new growth. It doesn't matter to me. Sometimes that's a retwist is the last thing on my mind. I don't really care. My hair might be the last thing on my mind. So I'm just talking for those that are worried, or new people that started out with starter locks, and you like, girl, my retwist don't last. What am I doing wrong? Am I doing something wrong? What's going on? No, you're not doing anything wrong. It's just how it rolls. When you get palm roll, get your hair palm roll, it's not gonna last as long as interlocking. But some people like the look of palm rolling better than interlocking. So it's just whatever you like, whatever you like, whatever you like. Okay. So thank you for tuning in. You know what I'm here for. I'm here to talk about locks and stuff like that. And if, you know, you're interested in any of my content, then you know what you can do. Okay. My Instagram is Jere's Locs. I'll have all the information in the description below. Thank you for coming in, tuning in for my little quick video. I hope it's quick, and y'all have a good day. Thank you.